Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do some stewed fried fish today, right? So I thought I would just do the recipe one time so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I have here two local fish from the BVI. This is what we call hard nose. They're quite small, so one for my husband and one for myself, one each, right? So I already wash it up with a bit of lime juice, and it's time to next thing to season. So the seasons, I'm going to use some homemade green seasoning, a bit of salt, black pepper, right, to season the fish. And to make the sauce now, to make the stew, to stew the fried fish, I have some onion here, some tomato. This is about half a tomato that I cut up finely here. And this is a melody of sweet peppers, yellow, red, and green, just to make it look pretty. And I'll also use some green seasoning to make the stew. All right, and of course we need some oil to fry the fish, some flour to dip it in. So I'll let you know as I go along the other ingredients. Okay, so the first time I'm going to season the fish. Okay, so here's my fish. This is about a tablespoon of green seasoning. You add some salt, some black pepper, now as you may know, the green seasoning has onion, garlic. I have some basil, some seasoning pepper, everything blended up in one, so I don't really need anything else. I'll just rub this on the fish. I'm gonna let this marinate for a few minutes. Okay, so here's my dish with some flour, all-purpose flour. I'm just going to add some garlic powder that I had in my pantry there. Mix it into the flour. Now I'm going to coat the fish and the flour. Okay, so here's my frying pan on the stove. Already added some oil. So we're gonna put the fish to fry. So I'm gonna just let them get golden brown on both sides. Okay, so my fish are almost done. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to remove it from the frying pan and throw out most of the oil and continue the process. Okay, so here we go again. There's a little bit of oil in the frying pan, so I'm just going to add the onion. I'm going to add the sweet pepper. Just these tomatoes. I'm going to add the ketchup. I don't think I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but this is about a tablespoon of ketchup. And I'm going to add some more green seasoning to flavor the stew. Add some salt. Should do it. Black pepper. So the liquid that remained from when I seasoned the fish, I'm going to pour that in here to make the stew. It wasn't much, just a little bit. I'm gonna let the vegetables fully cook. Okay folks, the stew is looking super fabulous. I'm going to put in the fish now, let it simmer with the sauce. Excuse that rooster, it's not my rooster, it's just a wild rooster acting a little crazy. My husband loves when I make this dish and prepare some dumplings. I'm going to sip with some dumplings. He just loves this. Every time we get some fish, I must make this for him. I think we have enough sauce there for both of us, so I'm good to go. Yeah, baby, looking good. Okay folks, here's my stewed fried fish served with some dumplings. Looking super delicious and tasting super delicious. It just smells absolutely amazing right now. I'm gonna dig right in. Yeah, baby. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.